Connecting your mobile device to your BMW has never been easier. Here's a step-by-step guide to ensure that you're connected wirelessly once you enter your BMW. First, make sure Bluetooth is activated on your smartphone. Select COM on the main menu of your iDrive display. Then Mobile Devices, followed by New Device. Then Phone Calls and Bluetooth Audio. The system is now discoverable on your smartphone. Open up the Bluetooth menu on your smartphone and under the Devices list, select your BMW and the name listed on your iDrive display to begin pairing. Once done, a code will be visible on the iDrive display, which corresponds to the one shown on your smartphone. If correct, tap on Pair, followed by Allow, so that your vehicle is able to access your smartphone contacts, favorites, and call lists for the best experience. Now you're all set. Bluetooth wirelessly connects your mobile device to your BMW iDrive system, allowing you to perform hands-free calls, music streaming, turn-by-turn navigation, and much more. You're now ready to make the most of your BMW by pairing it with your mobile device via Bluetooth.